Welcome back to the Money Mastery series. Right now I'm going to show you how to add your credit card to your crypto.com account. All that you have to do is click on Trade, Buy. You will then get the option to see all the different cryptocurrencies that crypto.com has. I will go ahead and purchase some Bitcoin right now. And right here where it says add payment method, that's where I will add my credit card. As you can see here, credit card or debit card, you can buy crypto immediately with a 2.99% fee. And there's also a $25,000 weekly limit when you choose to buy with the credit card. So I will click on that button. I will then add my credit card number. Once I'm done entering my information, I just click on add a card. You will see a secure processing page. And after a few moments, it is done. You can now purchase with your card. So I will buy $5 worth of Bitcoin using my credit card. I click buy that amount. I understand that there is a 2.99% fee. Continue. And there you go. The fee equates to 15 cents in this case when I buy $5 worth of Bitcoin. And click confirm. Now it's asking for my CVV number. Processing payment. And there you go. I just purchased $5 worth of Bitcoin using my credit card. And let's go see my wallet now. So I will click on accounts, crypto wallet. You can see here that I have $4.99 worth of Bitcoin. So it dropped 1 penny. All right, there you go. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on this video